Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, buckle up. Here's the abstract factory pattern explained in 5 minutes, with a code example in Python. It's a lot to cover fast, so I'll focus on the core concepts and a practical example. What is the abstract factory pattern? The abstract factory is a creational design pattern that provides an interface for creating families of related or dependent objects without specifying their concrete classes. Think of it as a factory of factories. Key concepts asterisk. Asterisk abstract factory asterisk an interface or abstract class that declares methods to create abstract products. Asterisk concrete factories asterisk concrete classes that implement the abstract factory. Each concrete factory creates a specific family of related products. Asterisk abstract product asterisk an interface or abstract class that declares methods common to all related product types. Asterisk concrete products asterisk concrete classes that implement the abstract product. These are the specific products created by the concrete factories. Asterisk client asterisk the code that uses the factories and products through their abstract interfaces. The client doesn't need to know the specific concrete classes being created. Why use abstract factory? Asterisk encapsulation asterisk it encapsulates the creation logic for related objects, making the client code independent of the specific implementations. Asterisk flexibility asterisk easily switch between different families of products by using different concrete factories. Asterisk consistency asterisk ensures that products created together are compatible. Asterisk open/closed principle asterisk you can add new families of products by adding new concrete factories and products without modifying existing code, the client. The 5-minute code example, Python a GUI theme factory. Let's imagine we're building a GUI system and want to support different themes, example light theme, dark theme. Each theme needs a set of widgets, button, text box. Explanation asterisk. 1 Abstract products asterisk button and text box define the general contract for all buttons and text boxes. 2 Concrete products asterisk light button, light text box, dark button, and dark text box are specific implementations for each theme. 3 Abstract factory asterisk GUI factory defines the interface for creating buttons and text boxes. 4 Concrete factories asterisk light theme factory and dark theme factory create the corresponding concrete products for their themes. 5 Client asterisk create underscore UI function takes a GUI factory and uses it to create a button and text box. The client doesn't know which specific button or text box it's creating, it just uses the abstract interface. How it works asterisk. The create underscore UI function is decoupled from the specific theme. You can pass it either the light theme factory or dark theme factory, and it will create the appropriate widgets. To add a new theme, you simply create a new concrete factory and concrete products, and you don't have to change the create underscore UI function. Summary asterisk. The abstract factory pattern lets you create families of related objects in a decoupled and flexible way. It helps you manage dependencies, maintain consistency, and follow the open/closed principle. The example highlights how you can switch between different GUI themes without modifying client code. Okay, buckle up. 5 minutes for abstract factory is a sprint, so let's hit the highlights and a concise example. The abstract factory design pattern, the quick overview. The abstract factory pattern is a creational design pattern that provides an interface for creating families of related or dependent objects without specifying their concrete classes. Think of it as a factory of factories. It's useful when you need to create families of related objects imagine creating UI elements for different operating systems, Windows, Mac OS. You need a Windows button and a Windows text box, or a Mac OS button and a Mac OS text box. You don't want to mix and match. Asterisk you want to decouple clients from concrete implementations. Asterisk the client code should only depend on abstract interfaces, not specific classes like Windows button or Mac OS button. Asterisk you need to easily switch between product families. Asterisk changing from a Windows UI to a Mac OS UI should be simple, ideally just by changing the factory implementation being used. Key players. 1. Abstract factory. Asterisk an interface that declares methods to create abstract products. Example: create button, create text box. 2. Concrete factories. Asterisk classes that implement the abstract factory, providing concrete implementations of the product creation methods for a specific family. Example: Windows factory, Mac OS factory. 3. Abstract product. Asterisk an interface for a type of product. Example: button, text box. 4. Concrete products. Asterisk classes that implement the abstract product, representing specific implementations of a product. Example: Windows button, Mac OS button, Windows text box, Mac OS text box. 5. Client. Asterisk the code that uses the abstract factory to create product families. The client is only aware of the abstract factory and abstract products. Code example: C++, UI elements. Explanation. Asterisk 1. Abstract products. Asterisk button and text box are interfaces for buttons and text boxes. 2. Concrete products. Asterisk Windows button, Mac OS button, Windows text box, Mac OS text box are specific implementations. 3. Abstract factory. Asterisk GUI factory defines the methods to create buttons and text boxes. 4. Concrete factories. Asterisk Windows factory and Mac OS factory create the corresponding concrete products. 5. Client. Asterisk application uses the factory to create the UI elements. Crucially, it doesn't know which concrete button or text box it's creating. How it works. Asterisk the main function selects a factory based on the operating system. The application then uses this factory to create its UI. If you wanted to switch to a different UI, example changing from Windows to Mac OS, you'd simply change the factory instantiation in main. The rest of the code remains the same. Key benefits, reiterated. Asterisk loose coupling. Asterisk the client is decoupled from concrete product classes. Asterisk interchangeability. Asterisk you can easily switch between families of products by changing the factory used. Asterisk consistency. Asterisk guarantees that the products used together belong to the same family. Limitations. Asterisk adding a new product type, example a combo box, often requires modifying all the factories, which can be cumbersome. That's abstract factory in a 5-minute blitz. This pattern is powerful for managing related object creation, promoting flexibility and maintainability in your code. Experiment with the example, and you'll start to grasp its benefits. Good luck.